Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this system of equations involving three unknown variables. The equations are 2x plus y plus z equal to 8, and we have 5x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 3. And the last one is 7x plus y plus 3z equal to 20. And we would like to find the values of x, y, z that can satisfy the equations simultaneously. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to tag this as equation number 1, tag this as equation number 2. Lastly, we have equation number 3. Let me start from equation number 1. I would like to make either x, y, or z the subject, then plug the result into the second and the third equations. Okay, let's do that. From equation number 1, let us make y the subject. Therefore, we are going to take 2x and z to the other side, leaving only y to the left. And we already have 8. As 2x crosses over, it becomes negative. As z crosses over, it becomes negative z. So we have another equation which we can call equation number 4. Now we are going to plug in this equation, which is equation number 4, into equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, let's start with equation number 2. Wherever we have y, we are going to replace it with 8 minus 2x minus z, because that is now the value of y. Okay, from equation number 2, we have 5x minus 3 multiplied by y, but y is 8 minus 2x minus z, right? That is the value of y multiplied by negative 3. But still we have 2z here. Then to the other side we have 3. Let us simplify it before we give it a name by distributing this negative 3 into the parentheses. So we have 5x here minus 3 times 8, that will give us negative 24. Minus 3 times minus 2x, that is plus 6x. Minus 3 times negative z, that is plus 3z. Then we have plus 2z. And this is equal to 3. Let us collect the like terms. We have 5, 6 making 11x's. We have 11x here. And then we have z, 3 and 2 making 5 of them. 5z. We have negative 24, which we are going to take to the other side. Already we have 3 there. As negative 24 crosses over equality sign, it becomes positive. 24 plus 3, that will make it 27. So this is 27. And we can now call this equation as equation number 5. Let us go ahead and find equation number 6 by plugging y into the third equation. Okay, in the third equation we have 7x, right, plus y, but instead of y we are going to replace it with 8 minus 2x minus z. 8 minus 2x minus z, that is our y, right? Then plus 3z, and this is equal to 20. Equal to 20. Let us collect the like terms. We have 7 minus 2, that is 5x's. Then we have negative z plus 3z, that will give us 2z, equal to, we have 20 to the right hand side. As 8 crosses over, it becomes negative. 20 minus 8 is 12. So we have 12 here, and we can call this equation as equation number 5. Now let me bring, okay, this should be equation number 6. Let me bring equation number 5 and solve them simultaneously. Let me write it here. We have 11x plus 5z equal to 27. Remember, this is our equation number 5. Okay, I would like to solve them simultaneously by elimination. So let us try to make either x or z to have the same coefficients. Let me try z. If I should multiply this equation by 5, we have 5 times 2 making 10. If we should multiply this by 2, 2 times 5 is 10. So we're going to multiply this equation 6 by 5 and multiply this particular equation by 2. So I think since we don't have enough space here, let me do it right here. Let me just use parentheses. Multiply this by 5, multiply this by 2. Okay, let's do that. 5 times 5x, that will make it 25x, plus 5 times 2z, that is 10z. 5 times 12, that is 60. Then from the second equation, we have 2 multiplied by 11, that is 22x, plus 2 times 5 is 10z. 2 times 27 is 54. So we are going to subtract 25 minus 22, that will give us 3, right? 3x. 10 minus 10 is 0, so we move to the other side. 60 minus 54 is 6. Remember, we are looking for x, so we divide both sides by 3. X will be 6 divided by 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. And hence, x value is equal to 2. Now, let us plug this value of x into either this equation or this one to find the value of z. I think let us use the first one here, which is very simple. We have 5 multiplied by x, but x value is 2, plus 2z equal to 12. 5 times 2 is 10. The moment you take 10 to the other side, it becomes negative. You have 12 minus 10, making 2, right? So z would be equal to that 2 divided by this 2, which is the coefficient of z. I don't have more space. This is why I would like to do that. Okay, let me just do that. Remember, we have 2z. As this crosses over, it becomes negative. 12 minus 10 is 2. And the moment you divide both sides by 2, you have z to be equal to 1. So z value is equal to 1. What else do we need to find? We need to find the value of y. And the value of y will be of 10 here, because y is equal to 8 minus 2x minus z. So y value will be equal to 8 minus 2 times x. Our x value is 2 minus z, which is 1. Simplify. 2 times 2 is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So y is equal to 3. And if we like, we can bring all of them together by saying x, y, and z values equals, for x we have 2, for y we have 3, and for z we have 1. So this is the solution to this system of equations. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.